6 people, including British tech tycoon Mike Lynch, are missing after a tornado sank a luxury yacht off Sicily's coast. The yacht, carrying 22 people, was struck by the tornado early Monday, killing 1 person. Among the rescued were Lynch's wife and a child, but efforts to find the missing continue. The yacht, named Bayesian, was anchored near Portichello when it sank. Italian Coast Guard and emergency services are conducting extensive search operations as strong storms continue to impact the region. Please like and subscribe.